Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel, Souguru. In today's video, I'm diving into the world of SD cards, sharing my top 3 picks based on verified buyer reviews. So stick around and don't forget to check out the product links in the description for the latest prices. Let's get started. SanDisk Extreme PRO. The SanDisk Extreme PRO card, according to a variety of verified buyers, appears to be a reliable choice for photographers and videographers alike. The product's capacity of 128 gigabytes is touted as ample for storing high-resolution images and 4K videos, making it a favorable option for those who engage in extensive photography and video recording sessions. Its speed and performance, despite being classified as UHSI, have garnered praise for smooth and buffer-free operation, ensuring the capture of fast action shots and high-definition video content. Buyers highlight the card's durability, emphasizing its capacity to withstand challenging environmental conditions and rugged use. This feature appeals to photographers working in diverse settings and potentially harsh situations. The compatibility of the SDXC format with various cameras is noted, adding to its appeal for a wide audience of users. While the card's price may not be the lowest in the market, its value is often mentioned, as it offers a combination of performance and reliability that is well worth the investment. SanDisk, as a trusted and reputable brand, further bolsters the card's appeal. Overall, this product is praised for its reliability and ability to meet the needs of photographers and videographers. It stands out as a practical choice for those looking for a high-capacity, high-speed, and durable memory card to support their creative endeavors. SanDisk Ultra. Based on the reviews from verified buyers, it's clear that the product in question is a mixed bag, with some customers expressing satisfaction and others facing disappointment. The product in question appears to be a SanDisk memory card. Some customers appreciate its performance and value, while others report issues with functionality and authenticity. Some users find the memory card to be a cost-effective solution for expanding storage and praise its compatibility with various devices, particularly cameras and phones. They highlight its reliability and ease of use, underlining SanDisk as a trusted brand for memory cards. However, there are notable concerns raised by several customers. Some express disappointment with the packaging, as it may not include the expected adapter, leading to inconvenience. Others mention receiving memory cards with slightly less storage capacity than advertised, which can be frustrating. A few customers have experienced problems with functionality, including issues with formatting and sudden card failures. In some cases, authenticity concerns have been raised, with suspicions of receiving counterfeit products. Thanks for watching my video on the best SD cards based on verified buyer reviews. Don't forget to check out the product links in the video description below to find the perfect SD card for your needs. Subscribe for more helpful tech reviews.